Welcome to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we're talking about bluefin tuna. So tuna, we've all had it, we've all seen it. It comes in these cans in the grocery store. Maybe your grandma makes a weird casserole out of it. Tuna. We know what tuna is. Often, tuna comes from these guys, specifically the bluefin tuna, which are these big fish that live in the ocean. When I say big, I mean fucking big. Look at this guy. That's a lot of fish. So, like, he's a large boy. So, tuna is one of the more common fish caught in the fishing industry, and it's used in lots of things, like, again, weird casseroles, sushi, all of that. And as a result, we need a lot of it, because lots of people use it, and that's where the problem comes from: overfishing. As with many fish, like pretty much every single edible fish, that overfishing is a massive problem, because lots of types of fish can't actually be raised well in fisheries, so they have to be wild caught, and that's what happens with the tuna. I'm not sure if there are tuna fisheries, but I don't think there are. Overfishing is a massive problem in the ocean because it's depleting many fish populations, and tuna are big apex predators in the ocean and fill a similar ecological niche to, like, sharks. They're like top predators. And we need apex predators to keep the prey species population in check, so we need tuna to do their thing. And in addition to depleting the tuna populations, overfishing causes other problems by especially catching species that aren't meant to be caught. Like dolphins can get tangled in these nets, and whales and everything, and that's not a good time. So fishing affects every single population in the ocean. Tuna and other fish food species often don't get a lot of attention in environmental and conservation matters because they're not cute, they're not interesting. Well, they are interesting, but they're not, like, widely regarded. It's just like, yeah, it's a tuna. We know what tuna is, but every species is important, and every species has its own role in the environment and deserves its time in the spotlight and deserves to be talked about. So yeah, keep in mind, maybe try to decrease your tuna consumption. That's something we can do. And also, don't support overfishing in the ocean, because we need fish and we need the ocean to stay healthy.